If you're looking for a budget-friendly speaker that is sleek, compact, and delivers high sound volume, then give this Nylavee Mini Speaker a shot. I did run into a problem with this speaker and sadly had to return it, but I would have loved to keep it if I could. I couldn't keep the speaker because it has software issues with my computer, which was confirmed by the support team. You can watch the video in the description to see a demonstration of the problem. My ticket was handled by Vivian from the Nylavee support team, and I was very pleased with her helpfulness in resolving the issue. Customer support is an important factor to me, so in this area, it is a 5 out of 5. Now back to the mini speaker. As an average consumer, I needed speakers for my computer and preferred a single unit rather than a set. Despite its mini size, it delivers high volume. I will include the demonstration toward the end of this video. Other things about this speaker: it's easy to set up, just plug in the 3.5mm cable and the USB cord, and you're good to go. The speaker has volume buttons for easy adjustment. If you do decide to give this product a try, I recommend testing the speaker first to see if you run into any problems. If you don't, consider yourself very lucky to have this adorable speaker. Let's take a listen to the sound. Friendly warning, it can get really loud, so be ready to turn down the volume or step away. We're going to test how loud this speaker gets. I'm going to go ahead and put the microphone right next to the speaker.
Don't know why I feel this way, but I'm the one she's driving insane. And don't you know you're out of you got the brakes, I can't tell you why don't you let it go. I'm not in it finally, I'ma let you know. You're somewhere in between my legs. You know there ain't another girl like you in the city. Yeah, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty. I can't believe I wrote so long. Time you had it now. Don't you know? It's time to let go of everything. There ain't another girl.